What's going on, guys? Welcome to ICO. We're back with George, and today we've got something super cool. We're going through the changes now in what we have with NFTs and crypto. We're getting to a stage where some serious technology is getting introduced to the blockchain. I'm going to show you what this is today. But before we do that, I need to tell you about the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only, so I can hang out with you on here, find some super cool NFTs, find some cool crypto, and make some money. So let's get into it. So here we go, guys. Zenfi, okay? Zenfi.ai. All the links will be down below. Please only use trusted links, especially from me, especially from this channel of people that you trust. Now let's get into this. So here's the website. It shows you the total stake value at the top. And as you go along, you've got the home, the about, tokenomics, roadmap, team, why Zenfi, and the login. I am going to go through these and I will log in and show you the back office shortly. As we're scrolling down, construction of an intelligent metaverse. Here is the overview. Zenfi provisions an intelligent metaverse that allows Homo sapiens to create emulations of their mental state, i.e. the mind and the soul, that are encoded into intelligent NFTs and placed on decentralized and everlasting storage medium. Sounds good, right? Over to the about section, guys. We've got intelligent metaverse. Metaverse embodies a great potential of bringing a form of immortality to our every existence, while medical advances have made significant progress in prolonging our life expectation. Other technologies have brought to the table various discussions surrounding mind uploading or whole brain emulation, which represents one's mental state in digital form. Now, by fusioning the power of exponential technologies, which are blockchain and AI, we can create an intelligent metaverse in which our minds dwell. Never before there is such a quest that is ambitious and long-lastingly impactful as intelligent metaverse. Guys, this is insane. It's so cool. We all saw it coming. I do see a time in the future, and I speak to my business partner about this all the time, of where we're going to get to, where maybe we can upload our consciousness to the blockchain, things like that. I don't think it's very now, but look at the steps we're taking. Just from Zenfi, they're starting to build them first steps to where we could get to an incredibly technologically advanced metaverse. Now, Zenfi AI is working towards an intelligent metaverse that preserves our mind and intelligence beyond the limitations of the physical world and our own flesh. Ultimately, Zenfi protocols will enable each human begin to create an emulation of his/her mind state, i.e. the mind and soul again, encode it into a digital form and place it onto a decentralized and everlasting storage medium under a format of an intelligent NFT. Such an intelligent NFT serves as a lively avatar of oneself in the metaverse. And as we keep going down, it's going to show you the best features, how it works, right? So we've got the tokenized intelligence. Combining computational, neuroscience, and neuroinformatics, scientists can now emulate human beings' mental state by a series of computer codes. By bringing such codes on-chain and denoting them under a format of NFTs, Zenfi AI can tokenize human intelligence and store its representation on an everlasting storage of blockchain. This is blowing my mind already. Moving to the train to earn. Once created, an intelligence NFT may continue to learn, adapt, and evolve. Zenfi AI provides a train to earn incentive model. We all love a good incentive. One can either pay others to provide valuable data set on which their own intelligent NFTs could learn and train. Alternatively, one can also let their well-trained intelligent NFTs interact with others. Guys, everything I just talked about before, the technological advances we're getting to, these are really compacting it and making it easy steps for us to get there. It's incredible. Intelligent services. In the current architecture, smart contracts or other autonomous agents inhabiting the blockchains are not able to communicate with the real world solely by themselves. The contemporary solutions are oracles. However, these oracles will eventually pale in comparison with the intelligent NFTs that offer intelligent services in the intelligent metaverse. There is a lot of big words there, guys. I know there is. If you're watching this and you're like, this is blowing my mind, I get it. Trust me, I get it. But like I said, in a George Lee kind of summary, we are stepping towards maybe having nanochips, being able to upload consciousness, upload your body, upload everything to the metaverse so you can literally live in there, carry on a life in there, interact with other people in there, okay? It's going to be insane. A lot more advanced than just having a VR goggles on. Okay, we're going to be so far past that. Tokenomics, one of the greatest bits we talk about on this channel. We always like to dive in. So what do we have? Zenfi AI protocols operate with the native token named Zenfi. Zenfi adheres to the BEP20 standard on the Binance Smart Chain. We love the Binance Smart Chain. The token features both utility and governance purposes. So as you go down, you can see the public offering on the 1st of the 18th, 2022. Zenfi AI is the name, the symbol is Zenfi, the total supply is 42 million, and the contract address, you can just copy this button from here. We have 45% to the public offering, okay? We have 25% to the experimental R&D, and we have 20% to the incentives and ecosystem. The legality and compliance gets 10%. It's a good spread for the tokenomics. It's evenly set out for what we need, I think. I like the incentives and ecosystem as 20%. That's a good chunk that we have there. Going through the roadmap, like I said, 2020 January, that's when Zenfi announces our initial stake protocol offering. We have obviously already gone through that. We're going to skip through to the April side. Zenfi shall unveil an INFT studio. Users can build their INFT avatar with their own portrait photo. So you don't have to just choose a random avatar. You don't have to just look like a dragon or a lizard or something like that. They're going to use this protocol so you can use your own portrait. So it's going to look very similar, if not identical, as an avatar form to your own person. I can't wait to see you all in there. Put in the comments if you're going to get this, if you're going to get involved, and let's try and join up when this does launch. And you will know, because you see my face all the time, you'll see me in there doing these calls as well. Through to August, Zenfi will open our AI training pipeline in beta version, allowing users to start training their INFT avatar. Then we move through to December. AI training pipeline will be rendered fully functional. 2023, we got March. Zenfi Intelligent Metaverse shall go live. That's a big date. Write down your notepads. Everyone put in the comments right now. March 2023, Zenfi Intelligent Metaverse shall go live. 2022 July, bridges will establish to provide passage between Zenfi's Intelligent Metaverse with other platforms such as Facebook's Horizon and Alepha AI. And in October 2023, the human intelligence emulation will be incorporated to Zenfi's AI training platform. It's going to be incredible. Now here's the team. Again, you know I like to look at the team, how they present themselves. They've got cartoon versions of themselves. As you go and research these, this isn't just a cartoon version of anyone. This is actually them. It looks exactly like them. It is them. It's really cool. So we've got Patrick Jacobs, the CEO, Bram Baker, the CMO, Michael Williams, CTO, Luke Vanderberg, CFO, Nude Jansen. Again, I'm sorry if I pronounce these wrong. Please let me know. The AI lead. We've got Luca Bruno, the media lead, Aldo Marino, community manager, Andrea Rossi, art designer, and Luke Mayes, business liaison. Get in the comments and laugh at me if I pronounce them wrong. Tell me the right way. If not, let's move on. This is great. Go and research them. They've all been proven in what they do, and they have a lot of knowledge. Trust me, a lot of knowledge. If you think I'm saying big words today, go and read some of their bios. It's incredible. Now, I just want to quickly read out the why Zenfi. Okay, on which platform Zenfi operates. Zenfi AI initially supports the ERC 721, the BEP 721, and the TRC 721 NFTs. This means our suite will provisionally be on Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Tron. We'll be launching on more blockchain platforms as the NFT ecosystem expand. Reason I wanted to read that out is we love Tron. Tron's a great platform. It's super cheap, especially when you're sending any sort of crypto, any sort of NFTs. We love Ethereum. We hate the gas fees. We do. I'm sorry. But we love Ethereum, and Binance Smart Chain is incredible. Probably the greatest one you can use out there. So they've already conquered getting Zenfi on the main blockchains, okay? That's incredible. That's why I want to read that out to you so you can get them on any of them that I just read out. So team, when you press login, it'll be up in the top right. You're going to log in with your account. Now, this is what's going to come up, this sort of matrix lookalike. It shows you the initial stake offering program. Now, go through this, okay? You can get it on the App Store, get it on Google Play. Go through it yourself. Do your own research. Again, the links will be down below in the description. So here's what we're going to do, guys. I'm going to show you how to purchase the Zenfi. You're going to click on it here. And as you go down, you're going to see what you need to do. So I'm going to put in 100 because that's how much I've got. That's how much I want to get. You'll see here it's phase 4, the phase allocation, the phase progress. As we move down, it will say the code, okay? It's got a 2FA on. So I press get email code. It's going to send me the code. I'm going to fast forward this right now to when it purchased, and then we'll purchase it. So I've got my code, guys. I'm going to click purchase token. Make sure everything's fine. Remember, this is because you've got the 2FA. It's to be super secure. So click purchase token. Success. You have successfully purchased. So I now have $100 worth and 100 amount of Zenfi token. Fantastic. That's how you buy it. Super simple. Pretty much like every other crypto you've got. When I go over to my wallet, it should show me now how much I have. It does. 100 Zenfi. Beautiful. That's exactly how you do it. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is talk to you about the invitation to initial stake offering. You click the little bell on the right. It gives you a notification that reads this out. I've already read this first bit, so I'm going to skip through. But the 18th of Jan marks the start of Zenfi initial stake offering, the ISO, if you don't know what that means. Our ISO will run for 6 months and offer a hard cap on 18.9 million. The ISO is divided into 9 phases, each lasting for at least 20 days, and allocated an equal supply of 2.1 million. So phase 1 offers Zenfi at $0.7. Then we move through phase 2. It goes up, as you can see, 8, 9, $1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 at phase 9 offers. Now, it's obtained in our ISO will be automatically staked for a period of 180 days with 26% APY. That's better than any banks you're going to find, unless you're, I don't know, maybe in Switzerland they've got a nice one, but no banks that I know have got APIs like that. The yield is evaluated based on the dollar worth of the purchase and the payable also in USD. Users can withdraw the yield in any of the tokens supported by our platform. The current list includes Zenfi, USDT, BNB, TRX, Cake, Bake, and XVS. It's currently tradable on PancakeSwap, thumbs up for that, and its trading information is available on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and a wide host of other market info websites. You can see by now going through this video, everything we need is there, okay? Looking forward to the remainder of this quarter, we will be releasing a mobile application that embodies our Train to Earn initiative. The mobile app engages users in answering logical IQ questions. It then collects the user's answers and then uses such a data set as ground truth data to train its AI models. Again, if you're sort of getting confused here, just read through, do your own research, take it slow. I'm just trying to get the big points across to you. Besides, we also remarked that Zenfi offerings include 2 forms of community rewards, one based on direct referrals and the other based on overall outreach of one's influence. This is fantastic. There's nothing worse than when you eat a nice steak at a restaurant, you go and tell your friend, they go to that restaurant and you don't get rewarded for that. Here you do. You get rewarded for sharing the information that I'm sharing with you right now. That's incredible. So that is the stake offering, okay? The ISO, the initial stake offering. Jumping over to their Twitter now. This is the Zenfi post that I want to show you. It's at Zenfi AI. The links will be down below, as always. So the special phase, the more the merrier. We're celebrating our app launch with the new promotion in this initial stake offering phase, the ISO, everyone. The more Zenfi you purchase, the greater bonus you are going to unlock and can be traded right away on PancakeSwap at approximately $2 per Zenfi. As you can see, we just bought some for $1 Zenfi, so it is going to start rising. Now, the app launching promotion is the 18th of March to the 7th of April, so I don't know if you're watching this late, but right now we're in that launching promotion. The more you purchase, the more bonus you receive. So you can see here 100 at $2, 1,000 at 4%, and 10,000 at 6%. The unlocked tokens are swappable on PancakeSwap. I've already gone through this. It's fantastic. You can see how many retweets it's got right here, 2,332. So please, 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 if you're watching this, start getting involved, get the app downloaded. Let's get amongst this because it's going to be huge. It's already getting traction. So one of their tweets here, promoting the Train to Earn app on the App Store and the Google Play. They've got the links there. Again, if you want to get their Twitter, it'll be in the description below. All you got to do is click App Store like this. It'll take you through the Zen AI. It's not available for the App Store. It's only on iPhone. So right now I'm doing it on Mac. That's why it says that. But you click that and you will just download it, okay? Same with Google Play. If you've got an Android, you will click that and install it. It's really as simple as that. The app looks super cool. It's got some really great reviews. And you can utilize everything we've talked through this video through this app. Incredible, okay? The best bit about these apps, okay, they're introducing the Train to Earn app. It uses and presented with questions that are primarily involved in pattern recognition and object identification, which will provide a training data set to the training pipeline of Zenfi in Intelligent NFT. I think it's going to be fantastic, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to shoot over to my summary, have a little talk about what we've talked about here, and I will see you there. In summary, guys, here we are. This is an incredible, incredible video that I got to make today. Like I said, I've been watching this space for a long time. I feel that we're getting the advancements ready, maybe not in my prime lifetime, but we're getting very close to being able to maybe upload consciousness, upload parts of your memory cells, things like that to the blockchain. I think Zenfi is the first steps to getting us to a technology that can maybe even tickle that, okay? I think it's incredible what they've got going on, and the prices of it right now is insane. You just saw me buy some. That's not just for the video. We're buying it because we love it here on this channel. Again, if you love it on this channel, please hit that like button. And I've heard on the street that if you smash that subscribe button as hard as you can, you will be called a legend for the rest of your life. So please, please do that. Put in the comments if you loved it. Put in the comments if you hated it. All is welcome. And I am going to see you on the next video. Peace out.